did many episodes on COVID-19 and then few episodes on border tensions happening in India as well as in other countries. And now I'm doing a light episode on how a group of musicians played to an audience of plants in Spain. This happened early this week in Gran Teatre del Liceu, which is an opera house in Barcelona, Spain. It was opened on 4th April 1847 to promote music education. It is one of the largest opera houses in the world and the best musicians play here. The performances at Barcelona's Gran Teatre del Liceu Opera House would always be sold out. The opera house was locked down for COVID reasons, and to mark the lifting of lockdown in Spain, the musicians played to thousands of plants and no human beings in the theatre. But people were able to watch the concert online too. And this event was the work of a Spanish conceptual artist named Eugenio Ampudia, who said that he was inspired by nature during this lockdown. This theatre was packed with 2,292 plants. The plants were actually brought from a nearby nurseries, and each one will be donated to a healthcare worker from the hospital clinic of Barcelona to thank them for their work during the pandemic. This was an 8-minute concert, and at the end of it, the sound of the leaves and branches of the plants blowing in the wind filled the theatre, and it was actually like an applause. It was awesome to watch. Hope you all liked this light yet heartwarming episode too. Stay connected with us for more such interesting episodes. This is Nisha.